Hello everyone. My name is Aastha Pandey. Currently I am pursuing an internship in data science at UnifiedMentor. During this internship, I have been gaining hands-on experience, data cleaning, analysis, visualization, and also applying machine learning model to solve real-world problems. This experience helped me to improve both my technical and problem solving skills, while also teaching me how to approach projects in a structured way. I am really grateful to Unified Mentor for giving me this opportunity to learn and grow, and I am excited to continue exploring the field of data science and applying these skills to impactful projects. Thank you so much.